Good Tuesday evening, everybody. Come on in. It's time to fix a little dinner. And when I say little, I mean little. Y'all will not believe what I'm fixing tonight. We're going to have some beef chili dogs for dinner tonight. So what I'm going to start with, this is beef chili dogs. Of course, y'all know I use turkey meat to make my chili. I like this ground beef. So that is 1 pound of ground beef. I keep saying ground beef. That's 1 pound of ground turkey, y'all. I use turkey, ground turkey. Like Sunday when I make the meatloaf, ground turkey. So what we're gonna do simply is just let it sit in there and brown, and then I'll start adding all my seasoning. And as you can see back there on that back burner, I got some hot dogs going. Those are those big old jumbo beef hot dogs. These are the beef hot dogs. Let me show them to you what they look like. So when you at Sam's Club, these are the ones they sell at Sam's Club in their little snack bar area. They are huge and they are wonderful. I've always loved them, and so now they sell them to the public. You know, for you to buy out of the counter, you don't have to go to the snack bar to buy them. In other words, so that's what we're having for dinner tonight. More than likely with some chips, or Kareem might decide he wants corn. He likes corn with everything, so I might do him a can of corn or something. But we just definitely gonna have these big old chili dogs. Nobody's really hungry. I didn't really feel like getting in the kitchen because I just, you know how nobody was really hungry. So I thought, you know what, we eat these beef dogs. So we're gonna make some chili, and we're just gonna have homemade chili and beef dogs. So again, this is something so simple to do. Let me cover those hot dogs. I'm coming back. Okay. Now I only put 4 in there because I'm only going to eat 1. I know Kareem will eat 3. Now Tansy, if she comes by, she said she was coming by. She wasn't feeling too well earlier. So, but if she comes by, I shall put more hot dogs in the pan. And like I said, all we're going to do is just let this meat brown, so to speak. You know, turkey meat doesn't really actually brown. It just sort of cooks to a point. You know, when it gets granulated, it's okay. Now, I've got this little cup. I've already measured out a teaspoon of that's chili powder on top, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of complete seasoning, and I'm just going to go ahead now and just sprinkle it all into that chili, into that ground turkey. And back there, of course, y'all see my buns. I think we might even toast the buns, y'all. Toast the buns. Now, normally I use tomato paste. I have 100 cans, I think, of tomato sauce, no tomato paste. I don't know what. Don't ask me why. I usually keep a little can. I don't have any tomato paste, so I'm going to have to sort of make do with my tomato sauce, because you don't need a lot for the chili. And of course, y'all know I put a little bit of ketchup in there. Let's put I'm going to put some brown sugar in, of course. And to make sure that everything cooks well together, I'll put the lid on here, and I will cook it for about 20 minutes. And it ought to be ready. Yum, yum, I taste it. So, you know, I need a little bit more salt. Excuse me. I didn't put any salt. I try not to put as much salt as I possibly can. So I got me some of that Himalayan pink salt. Woo! Get sprinkled. I'm going to put about 1/4 of a teaspoon of that Himalayan pink salt in there. Just enough to knock the edge off of it. Oh, wow. You know what I just forgot? I have got some of this chili seasoning mix. I'm going to put a little bit of that in there. Can't put too much because I already added salt. I got one of those packets of chili seasoning mix. Put about 1/2 pack of that in there. I'm building flavor, y'all. I'm building flavor. Okay. So we want that chili. We don't want, it needs to look about like that. Okay. So, like I say, I normally put, I think I'm going to just try, I'm going to start out with a fourth cup of ketchup in it. And then I'm going to put, this is like 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in it. And this is where you want your chili like this. You don't want it soupy. But this is for hot dog chili now. You want chili to eat out of a bowl, you know, that's what Tans was saying. But I don't have enough ingredients, and that's just not where I was going with this chili. So we're just making hot dog chili. Let's see, it might be alright with just the since I had that little mixture. I'm not going to even have to open that tomato sauce, because what made the difference, I put about, like I say, a fourth of a cup of tomato ketchup in there, and then I put one of these chili seasoning packets, and I'm going to put a little bit more to pull it on in. And you got yourself some chili, and I'm going to put a little bit of water in there, about a fourth of a cup of water, because I want it to cook a little bit. Okay, so from that, my dear ones, we got us some good old hot dog chili. Let me tell you, meals like this, I learned how to cook these when I was growing up. Mama taught us how to make a little bit of chili for them chili dogs. She'd always make us those chili dogs. So there you go for your hot dog chili. I'm going to go ahead now and put a lid on here after I pour a little bit of water in. Stir it up a little bit. We got homemade chili. Okay. Homemade hot dog chili. Turn that heat down low and just let it simmer for about 15 minutes, and it's going to be ready. By the time the hot dogs get ready, I'm going to chop up some onions and boil these hot dogs back here. Now those big old jumbo hot dogs, I like the idea of boiling them simply because that boils some of that salt out of them. So we're just going to let them cook there for a minute. I'm going to chop up some onions, and we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, this is a quick meal for 2 people. Jumbo beef chili dogs, some corn, and there my, oh, you have to put your hand this way. Norika's here. Say, hey, everybody. He missed the party Sunday. He was at his other people's house Sunday, so he missed our party Sunday. Oh, what you want? He want to dance. Let me see. I don't know what the name of that dance is.
They call it, I said it was 1 foot dance.
It's the 1 foot dance. Okay. Oh, he working it, y'all. Whew. He was working it. Lord, I'm so tired. This is, like I said, this is one of them quick meals. He ate some, I had some beefaroni, so he ate beefaroni. Kareem and I decided we wanted hot dogs, so we're going to dress these hot dogs with ketchup and probably mustard. Huh?
Ask that they're not strong.
Oh, yeah, they said they know you're strong. He wants to know everybody can say that he's strong because he can dance real good. Because you are a big boy, because your grandma say you strong, your Gigi say you strong. They saw you dancing strong, and you pray. Right? Yeah, your dad said it too. You have to praise and encourage these babies now, especially when they ask you. Okay, so back to these hot dogs, honey, y'all. This is so simple; it's just almost untrue. Ketchup, and this is new sauerkraut. Cost me almost $3 a jar. It's called Sovereignty Artisanal Kraut beer. So we're gonna see. I'm praying it's good. because I don't want to buy that great big old thing, because we don't eat hot dogs that often. But anyway, this is just one of those little quick things you can throw on the stove. And these hot dogs, I guarantee these are the best hot dogs. Now, this is what making me eat hot dogs, because those are beef and they're so good. And I just boiled them in, just halfway in water. That good old homemade chili. And Kareem is going to eat the corn on the side. I want one hot dog, something to drink, and I'm done. So this is one of those quick 20-30 minute things. And the only reason it's taking 30 minutes because we make the homemade chili and we have to let it cook for a little bit. So guys, thank y'all for stopping by. Thank you for your well wishes. And I mainly came on so that I can say, please keep those prayers going up, because things are just everywhere. Things are just getting critical all over the place. Our heart goes out to, of course, to Colin Powell's family, General Powell, an awesome man of God, an awesome warrior, an awesome soldier, a diplomat, politician, whatever. Awesome man. Another soul going on to live with the Lord, to rest, because that man has put in his work. I lost track of the fact that he was 84 years old. But he put in the work. He earned his wings, y'all. So we're going to pray for his family, that they will do well through this, as he has already transitioned, but that they will do well and feel the comfort of the Lord. And for anyone else that's lost any loved ones, those policemen that were attacked, we still praying for that family, that they will come through on the other side and be okay and feel the comfort of God over them and on them. And just anybody that locally that's lost people, the loved one, death, like I've said many times, it's so hard. No matter how it comes, why it comes, it's still difficult. But if we put our trust in the Lord, we can all make it through to the other side of grief. So listen, guys, thank you. Keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Pray without ceasing, and be kind, and be even, I'm going to use the word gentle. Be kind, be gentle to somebody. Sometimes things happen that are so hard and so harsh, words and deeds. Be kind and gentle. Love one another as the Lord asked us to do when he left here. He said to love one another as he has loved us, because God loved us in spite of. He didn't love us because we were so great or so good. He loved us in spite of all of our shortcomings. And so I just urge you to do that, and especially anything towards your family members. Try to resolve those issues. Even if you aren't able to sit at the table with them, at least be able to get that off, or that whatever that is, out of your heart, so that you won't lay down at night with that heavy feeling on your heart. Okay, y'all, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Keep praying. Keep being kind to your neighbors, your friends, your family. Correct those unresolved issues, and just be kinder and gentler to one another. It's getting late, y'all. I'm tired. I'm getting ready to sign off here. And all I can ask you to do is continue to pray without ceasing. Keep those prayers going up now so the blessings will continue to come down. And we can sit back, relax, and enjoy these homemade chili dogs, y'all. Until I decide something else to cook again, y'all. I know tell them what I might cook tomorrow. Keep those prayers going up now. Pray without ceasing. Toodaloo.